Mpaay si men.
Upali.
Digasi pal. Digasi pal.
Yeah, that's some good music, my friend. Who's playing that music?
You understand that?
Yeah, that's Creole. You playing it?
You speak Creole?
Yeah, that's compa. Good music.
So, you're Haitian?
Yeah, I'm Haitian.
You were born there or here?
I was born in Haiti.
How long you been here?
I came here in 2011. I was 14, 15.
So it's like... What's
12.
You're 20, 24, right?
Yeah.
2011 you said? You were
Yeah,
15?
2011,
That's years.
13 years.
Good man, you're not English good. The language.
Oh, I
What
can,
is fun?
yeah, I can get a.
Do you like? Well, I can't tell what is nice. I speak Creole also.
Like it need to be fat and full. That's when you know it's nice.
I don't know. Yeah, I speak Creole also myself.
You do?
It's 534.
How much? Nobody. I'm just gonna put it on the internet.
Okay, man.
Aqui você tinha Haitian, vai.
Tu boa Haiti?
Yeah, o
Clarsin.
que bom?
Clarsin.
Oh, Haitian é tudo bom Haitian.
Bom bakit lang? Não te fiquei kleladan.
That's crazy, man. I ain't never seen nobody like that speak Creole. You don't even look Haitian, my boy.
I'm not Haitian but I do. Mpaay si men.
Upali.
Digasi pali lang na.
Oh, parle bon Creole, mon cher, pour une équipe Haitian, man. You speak that. You speak it good.
Trangkat santim ako.
Combien?
Trangkat santim ako.
You make it 34 cents? Alright. Well, that's good, man. Keep that up.
Digasi. Buffin for net.
Ah, show vale bel Creole, man. Bal metto su internet na mo yung pro.
Pwede ako bitin mo namin. Apa mi siap kasi lalong ta?
That's crazy, man.
Okay man.
Ah, merci un peu, lui, base. Qui sont un petit peu haïtien?
Use, bro, masuti bagay pa sanji man.
Yeah, bye.
Sumbil ko te man.
Yeah.
Sanji po sanji sila.
Ah, it's very sweet.